I want you to stop and pay very close attention because I want to ask you a very serious question. One that might be the most important question anyone has asked you in a very long time. Are you ready for it? All right, here it is. What if in just 15 days you could copy the business of an online marketing millionaire, turn your business breakdowns into massive breakthrough? And I'm an ordinary guy who's discovered an extraordinary formula to make money online. It's called freelance digital marketing. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal to you what it is and how you can learn it from me for less than a pair of Wrangler jeans at Walmart. Why is it so extraordinary, you might ask? Because it's the only thing that I found in 10 years of making money online that works extra well for ordinary people. You don't need any major tech skills, huge startup cost, or marketing experience to get going. This is totally different than anything you've seen or tried, and don't worry, there's no pitch at the end of this video to join the newest business opportunity, get rich quick scheme, or MLM. There's so many gurus and screaming about the latest fad gimmicks, but let me save you a lot of wasted time here. Shopify, Amazon, pitching lotions, consultant that. Shut up! Most of those all revolve around selling worthless products for teensy-weensy little commissions, or they require serious skill and experience to be successful with. Yet, there's one business model that stood the test of time year after year and has helped more newbies make money online than anything else. Are you ready for the formula? Brace yourself. It's marketing valuable, high-ticket products and services that actually help people. And if you want to maximize your success as fast as possible, the valuable products have to have high enough profit margins so that 1 or 2 sales per month allow you to live like a king. Heck, 5 sales a month, like a Kardashian. So if you leave this video to go do anything else online other than selling valuable high-ticket products and services, you might as well quit right now and save yourself a bunch of time and money. I am serious. Go on. You still here? Other people's valuable high-ticket products and services. And that's where becoming a freelance digital marketer becomes such a dream business. Because just like freelance photography or freelance writing, where you find different clients and are always working in different places doing different things, with freelance digital marketing, you're finding the best-selling, most valuable high-ticket products and marketing those to people already in the market to make a purchase. Look, to make $10,000 per month, you can make 200 sales that pay a $50 commission or sell 2 that pay a $5,000 commission. Because it takes nearly the same amount of time and effort to convert on something that costs thousands as it does something that costs hundreds. As a matter of fact, I found that most of the tire-kicking, low-balling hagglers are searching for cheap bargains and freebies, while most people who make fast decisions are easy to work with and prefer buying high-ticket products because they enjoy the better quality. So not only do you make more money, but you have less stress. Famous marketing strategist Jay Abraham said something so profound and simple. There's only 3 ways to grow a business, he said. Increase the number of customers, or increase the number of times a customer buys from you, or increase the price, so each transaction produces higher profit. Wouldn't you rather have to make less sales at higher profits than make thousands of sales at piddly little commissions that don't even wet your whistle when you see the amount? Sure, at first it's exciting to make a $2, a $3 commission, or even a $20 commission like it was the very first time I got one. But eventually those get old. You start to do the math and realize, holy, it's going to take 500 of these little $20 commissions to make $10,000 a month. The probability of you making 500 front-end sales per month is about as likely as you winning the lotto. So if you want to keep treating your business like the lotto, go ahead back to your favorite leader or guru who's trying to sell you the newest, hottest flavor of the month, telling you they'll lead you to the promised land because they finally found the one that guarantees 100% success for everyone. Or get real, come back down to earth, and listen to my honest, straightforward advice. You may not like what I'm saying. It may hurt your feelings or burst your bubble, And it's damn sure pissing off all the scammers and posers trying to sell you pipe dreams. But it's true, you know it's true, and if there's one thing I'm known for, it's shooting straight. I'd rather piss you off and help you have success than sugarcoat this and have you run back into the arms of your favorite money-making prophet who's peddling the latest fairy dust. When my students quit all of the low-ticket affiliate nonsense, embarrassing MLM gimmicks, and teensy-weensy e-com games that were more like glorified jobs than real businesses, and started selling high-ticket, high-quality products, their problems disappeared. Just like mine did when I started my freelance digital marketing career over 10 years ago. Back 10 years ago, I was addicted to becoming successful. And that hunger, unfortunately, made me naive and gullible to all the different get-rich-quick schemes and scams online. I joined, admittedly, hundreds of different so-called businesses. I tried to sell everything from coins to makeup to face creams and cell phones. I marketed credit repair and weight loss, lotions, potions, and pills, and that was just the beginning. And then I came online, and I got sucked into hundreds of different sales funnels. I opted into thousands of different email lists. It felt like I was getting on a different webinar or conference call almost every day to hopefully find the one. I would join a new business. I'd quickly log into my back office. I'd grab my link. I'd spam it everywhere on Facebook and Twitter. I'd send emails and text messages letting everyone know I'd finally found the one, only to get back crickets and tumbleweeds. The pain and the wasted time and money, it brought me to my knees. One of my darkest and most embarrassing moments was taking some numismatic coins I got from one of my many failed MLM businesses down to the pawn shop to get money for rent. Feeling desperate, I wondered if I'd ever be successful. I saw other people that were no smarter or more deserving than I was experiencing success, but I just couldn't crack the code. This all tested me. It made me even consider going back to the 9-to-5 full time. And at that time, I was still working construction, driving my old 1990 Ford F-150 that I had to start with a screwdriver. Long, hot days, and even longer nights spent hunched over my computer trying to figure things out made me feel like I was losing it. Pressure to provide for my family and myself had my stomach in knots every single day. I got angrier and angrier, trying to find somebody to blame for my failure, so I pointed the finger at the gurus and the hundreds of businesses I joined and the empty promises they made. But I realized that attitude, it was only going to take me deeper into resentment and depression. I needed to take responsibility for my successes and my failures. And then something that changed my life forever happened, literally the week that I was about to give up. I woke up to $1,000 commission notification in my inbox, more than twice what I made per week in my construction job, and enough to catch up on all my bills. I realized in that moment something I had never realized before, and it changed everything for me, and it'll change everything for you too. That one high ticket sale of $1,000 was no harder to convert than a low ticket sale of $100, and I could actually, for the first time ever, see scaling my business to $10,000 or more per month. At $1,000 per sale, I only needed 10 sales. But what if I could find something I could make $2,000 per sale, or $3,000 per sale, or even $5,000 per sale? I had previously heard tons of people talking about making $50,000 to $100,000 per month, but it never made sense. It seemed impossible until now. The best part is that my first high-ticket sale, it came from a stranger. All the years of trying to sell and recruit my friends and family, and them avoiding me like cockroaches when the lights come on. And here comes along someone, a stranger, who becomes my first high-ticket sale. It was amazing, and it was another light bulb moment, which is, it's easier to convert high-ticket sales to strangers who don't know all of your dirty laundry and who won't prejudge you. Over the last 10 years, inside of my freelance digital marketing business, I've been able to make tens of thousands of high-ticket sales from various products and services, and it's given me a life beyond my wildest dreams. If you thought that my desperation during my failures as a marketer were bad, you don't even know the half. Before that, I experienced homelessness and drug addiction, and at the age of 24, showed up on my dad's doorstep asking him to help me save my life. He did, and he helped me get back on my feet. He took me to work construction jobs with him. So when I started to succeed, it wasn't the trips around the world, jet setting from one country and state to the next and seeing places that most people will never have the blessing to experience. And it wasn't the nice cars or the big houses that really made me feel the most happy. It was actually being able to give back to the people like my dad who'd been there for me since the beginning. What would you do for you? So I've created something unlike anything that you've ever experienced before called the Online Business Builder Challenge. And over the next 15 days, you're going to learn the exact formula for starting and growing your own freelance digital marketing business and making your first high-ticket sale. And I'm going to take you through the most powerful and game-changing learning process that you've ever experienced. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know so you'll actually be successful instead of just pumping you full of hype and sending you out blind to fall on the sword. I'm not going to give you the typical hyped up claims of make money faster, earn 6 figures in 6 minutes, because it's finally time for you to realize that becoming successful requires the right information from the right person in the right environment, and it also requires an investment of time, energy, and some capital from you. So if you're just looking for the next hottest flavor of the week that will tell you what you want to hear, just leave. Go right now. Because there's plenty of snake oil salesmen looking for more sheep to shepherd. The big question that you need to answer today is, are you going to take this opportunity by the horns and move forward with your dreams of creating a real successful business, or are you simply going to keep jumping from gimmick to gimmick without making any progress? Trust me, I get it. As I've already clearly and graphically explained to you, the road, it was not paved for me. I wasn't an overnight success, and neither is anyone else who's successful that I know. But this is the information that changed my life, and I'm willing to share it with you if you're willing to put it to work. What I'm going to teach you inside of the Online Business Builder Challenge is the same exact business model that I run every day, and I've been running for nearly 10 years time ever. I'm going to coach you and hold your hand to set up and launch your own freelance digital marketing business to bring in high-ticket sales by simply modeling my already successful business blueprint. Over the next 15 days, you're going to learn the top 4 high-ticket business models to launch inside your freelance digital marketing business, starting with newbie to intermediate to advanced. And none of them require you to create or ship products, hire employees, have a physical office, or even be tied to any one location. I'll then show you how to create multiple streams of income and work once and then get paid 2, 3, even 4 times or more. You'll get a free one-on-one business plan consultation with one of our company's full-time business plan advisors to help you clarify and implement your own customized business plan. This is a substantial investment in you on my part, but I'm serious about creating success stories. I'll also then show you how to get customers for free into your new business using little known free traffic methods, and I'll also show you how to place tiny little ads for $5 to $10 a day that bring in quality leads that turn into high ticket sales. I'll then show you how to set up a simple 2-step funnel complete with example templates, plus how to write simple little ads that will have high-ticket buyers clamoring to give you their email to learn more. Each day, I'll have a powerful lesson for you to teach you the concepts that you need to know and understand, plus technical assignments for you so you can get your business set up properly, finally. This will be all of the stuff that you've been missing and has kept you from getting results. By the time that you're done with my Online Business Builder Challenge, you'll have the foundational training that you need, an actual physical business plan to follow, your funnel and your email list set up, and you'll be ready for your first high-ticket sale. You'll then hit the go button, turn on the gas, and get the sales to start flowing in. This is serious, and it's best left for serious people only. If you're a tire kicker or a looky-loo or are gonna do nothing and then try to blame me for your failure, please do not sign up. I mean it, don't waste my time and don't waste yours. Or if you still think there's riches to be made by hitting some secret button somewhere that will make money fall from the sky, you should also leave. You obviously haven't had enough pain yet. You haven't hit your bottom. Go follow a couple more false money-making prophets off of a cliff and come back when you're ready to get serious. But if you're ready and want to get started right now, me and my team of business plan advisors are on standby waiting to help you design your business plan and to help you get your first high-ticket sale. I want to work with winners. I want to work with people who, when I give you my entire freelance digital marketing blueprint, you're going to put in the action that's required to bring it to life. I'm willing to give all of this to you for so little because I'm confident that you're going to be blown away by the value and it's going to change your life so much. I'm willing to help you for next to nothing. I'm willing to show you that I can help you by actually helping you. What a novel concept, right? That way, if you decide that it's not for you, you're not out anything except a couple of bucks and a little bit of time. Can we just cut all the crap and start our relationship off with honesty and transparency? I'm not going to sugarcoat stuff and treat you like some dumb loser. You're going to be a high-earning freelance digital marketer, and that's what I'm going to treat you like. All I ask is if you're going to sign up right now by clicking the button below, just do the work. Commit right now to finish the entire challenge. Finally, get your business set up and off the ground and in profit. That's my challenge for you. And if you're ready to accept it, I'm willing to hold your hand every step of the way. Don't let this be another thing that you sign up for on an impulse and don't follow through with. If you're going to start this challenge and get your online business launched, promise yourself and promise me that you won't take advantage of my generosity. Promise me you won't quit reaching for success right before the miracle happens. Promise me you won't give up and quit right before the finish line. I get it. You've been beat, battered, and bruised, and you're not sure if this will work for you. Let me remove the risk for you. Go through all 15 days, eat it up, devour it, implement it. Let us help you develop your business plan. Put it to the test. I'll give you success, but your investment today will definitely change yours. What do you say? Are you up for the challenge? Are you finally ready to take the next step towards the life that you deserve? If so, let's go. Slam that button below this video, enter your details, and I'll see you on the inside.